Take off.
Hi guys, Transport RC here. So in today's video, I'll be doing my first flight of the MJX X103W after my motor repair. So if you guys have watched my motor repair video and be following my channel, then you'll know that this drone actually, the motors of this drone, one of the motors actually burnt out. It's actually this one, I believe. So I did the repair, and I did a small test at home to see if the motor spun properly and everything, and they did. So I hope this drone actually flies. So I've got 14 satellites. Just going to do a small test today. Just going to do a small flight today. Doesn't even have full battery, so maybe like 5 minutes, and see how the drone performs. It's very stable, very stable. Okay, doing well. Okay, already on low battery apparently. That's fine. If I push it up, let's see. All the motors seem to be spinning good. Okay. Okay, it's going a little crazy. Whoa, and it's coming down. Okay, let's turn off the motors. Turn off GPS. Okay, something's going a little crazy with this drone. Does seem like that it has used a lot of batteries, so I'm gonna go back and get another battery from my car and see how the drone responds. Okay guys, so I'm back this time. I've got a battery that is full. First flight was very weird. Seemed like it was doing very well, flew up with no problem, and then just started going a little crazy. So I turned off the GPS and it was still going a little crazy, and the battery seemed to drain really quickly, even though it wasn't at full battery, but like it drained like in less than 2 minutes, I believe. So that's just kind of weird. So got the satellites again, so let's hope it works. Take off. Okay, very low. It seems stable, but it's, yeah, look at this. Whoa. I'm turning off the GPS. Drone does not seem stable at all. Apparently it says I still have GPS connection, even though I don't. Try and bring it back. Try and bring it back. Oh, whoa. There seems to be some maybe power surges or something. Look at this. I don't know if you can see because of the sun. I'll turn the drone around. This is why you don't fly drones near people. Okay. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, so I'm going to turn on GPS again. Whoa, it's going crazy again. Bring it down if you guys can see. Sorry, I've got my eyes on the drone. Whoa, look at that. Yep. Just bring it back. Again. Whoa. Okay. It's got its mind of its own. It's not coming down now. Okay, this is very dangerous, to be honest. This is why I'm not flying near people. Okay, let's land this drone right now. Okay, I don't know, it seems a little bit weird. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. Go a little crazy. Turn on GPS again and let's fly again. Let's see. Yeah, see, look how stable it is. It looks very stable. Everything seems absolutely fine. Everything, not touching the controller, seems pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, see, seems nice. But I don't think I'll trust this drone anymore. Yeah, see, it's yep, suddenly have a mind of its own now again. See the twitching. Don't want to get too close to the drone. Don't want to be using the return to home or anything. Whoa, okay. Yeah, this is very concerning, to be honest. Yeah, don't want to push it up too high. Look at the toilet bowling. It feels like a big toilet bowl. But see, I turned off GPS and it seems to do a little bit better. Whoa, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's clearly a little concerning. Oh, look at that, whoa. I'm basically battling the drone. Have like no control over the drone. Doing the complete opposite. Oh, okay, yep, look at that. Good thing about these drones is that they do have emergency shut off buttons. So they do you can just press a button and the emergency shut off. So yeah, see, that was very weird. Turn the motors on again. Yeah, now apparently it has no more battery apparently, and that was like only according, look at my timer, it's like 4 minutes recording, so maybe another 3 minutes of flight time. So yeah, this is not looking too good. The drone has a mind of its own. So I don't know if it was the repairs issue or anything, cause I've seen on the internet that, you know, there has been issues with the MJX X103W, and I feel like that yeah, I think this repair has kind of just made the drone a little bit more unstable, and it was already apparently it was already unstable, like not unstable but always had a mind of its own according to other YouTubers I saw and something. So yeah, I don't think this drone would be too safe to fly. Could be quite fun just to bring it out and see if you can, like, just see if you can control it and stuff, but at the moment, yeah, it's very dangerous. Like, I would not want to fly this near people or like near anything, because look at, do you see, like, you can't see my hands, but I was basically like telling the drone to go down when it goes up, and like it was just really weird. So, and look, the battery's already gone for some reason, and it was only like 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah, there are clearly some issues with the MJX X series, but I was kind of shocked that the motor did burn out after like 6 flights. So that is clearly some quality issues with MJX and this drone. So yeah, so this concludes my first flight of the drone. I don't know if I'll be flying this drone for a while, so I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys in the next video.